Are you ready for Mother's Day? In this, Are You Ready for Mother's Day review? Rachel Rofe will be breaking down all the aspects of her print-on-demand business model. Grab a pen and paper and let's get started.
Who else wants to turn Mother's Day into a payday? Hey, I'm Rachel Rofe. If we haven't met yet, I am a 7-figure print-on-demand seller. I've been selling on Amazon, Etsy, and eBay for a long time now and seeing phenomenal results for years at this point. And luckily still having, my sales from last year, Amazon went up over last year, which is awesome. I've also had the great honor of helping a lot of other people kind of do this business model as well, where I've been able to take these kind of little ideas for sayings and turn them into a print-on-demand full-time business. So listen, if you are tired of scrolling social media and seeing a trillion different business ideas, overwhelmed by all the information or just like half pieces of information, confused on what might help you reach your goals, then this is something that I think you're really going to want to kind of pay attention to. So instead of having to struggle to find a real system that you can get results with, I would say stop what you're doing, watch this video, because I can promise that the business I'm about to share with you, it's changed my life, it's changed the lives of other people, and it's just been incredible. It's been absolutely incredible. And it's something that I don't just teach people. I still work on this business myself because it's fun, it's profitable, and it creates a lot of freedom. And so today I thought I would share with you the opportunity to kind of end your struggles, your frustration, your confusion, and anything that might have been holding you back from creating a life that you love, earning the income that you want. So if you're ready, let's dive in here. So in the next few minutes, you will learn first what print-on-demand is, why it's such a hot business model for this year, next year, and many years to come, how you can end all of your struggles and have a successful business up and running fast using our proven system, the unique opportunity that Mother's Day offers you, what our brand new course entails. This is fun. How you can get started quickly because our classes are live and Mother's Day is coming up soon. So let's dig in. First, we'll go over kind of what print-on-demand is. You can sell items using print-on-demand without ever having to actually buy inventory or anything like that. So you come up with these funny little phrases and you put them on a picture of a blank product. Let's say you have a blank mug or a blank shirt. You take your phrase, you put it on the item, super simple to do, and then you can sell these items as if they are already made, even though they're not, and then put them on Amazon, Etsy, eBay, and other sites. So let's say you're selling something to somebody in the knitting niche, right? Someone loves knitting, they see a mug that they like. Well, then you put it up, let's say on Amazon, you get a customer that purchases it from you, and then the item gets sent to a fulfillment center. The design that you made gets downloaded, it's put onto a product, and then it's shipped directly to your customer. And again, you didn't have to buy any inventory or anything. The fulfillment center does all the work, so it's hands off for you. It's awesome. And you can do this with thousands of different products. There's mugs, ornaments, posters, shirts, ornaments, jewelry, kitchenware, hoodies. There's so many different types of things that you can do. And so we partner with a company that will print and then they'll ship out the products to your customers on your behalf so that you can earn a profit. So the way that it works is, let's say we're on Mother's Day, you sell a mug that says I love mom, and it sells for $20 on Etsy. Then let's say you have costs, so after you sell the item, you bring in income, then to actually get, let's say this mug made for you, it's going to get, maybe you spend $10 to get it made and shipped to your customer. So you made 20, you have the cost of the mug for 10, then you pocket the $10 profit. So we've really created here a unique kind of paint by numbers system that allows people to build potentially a part or full-time income using print on demand. And best of all here, you get to create these products that are truly special and they have the power to turn love into a legacy. So it's really meaningful too. They are these just like meaningful expressions of love that last well beyond a single day. And the cool thing with Mother's Day is you give shoppers of Mother's Day these It's just like a really unique option. It truly resonates with mothers. It moves beyond generic options to something deeply personal. So it really is so meaningful. And when you give these items to the mothers, it's more than just a product, right? It's a symbol of love, appreciation, and then the unique connection that they share with their child. So people love buying these gifts. And in case you're wondering, Mother's Day products are a very hot and growing market. So the National Retailer Federation said that consumers planned on spending $35.7 billion. So spending in 2024 is actually going to be more because it was up $4 billion from the year before. So it's getting bigger and bigger, and 34% of Mother's Day shoppers purchase online, which is 12 billion with a B people searching for Mother's Day gifts. So it's really a gold mine here of an opportunity in the print-on-demand business, and it just keeps growing year over year because lots of people have a mother, lots of people want to get them a thoughtful gift. So how can you get in on this opportunity? Well, we've put together a full course really covering everything from A to Z to help you start, grow, build, all the things, scale your own print-on-demand business. We're focusing on Mother's Day here first because there's so much opportunity, and it's just going to help you stay focused on getting your store and your products launched fast. So we're going to do many things here we've never done here before to ensure that you have everything that you need to succeed. Our course has so many features. We have, first of all, 12 modules. There's going to be 37 step-by-step how-to videos spread across 4 weeks for you. We've got live Q&A calls and live workshops where you can ask your questions. We have done for you, like action-oriented workshops. We have a 15-minute call where you're going to either speak with me personally or my right-hand executive assistant, and she's going to personally help you for 15 minutes, all your questions. Done for you designs and mock-ups, plus live interviews, new bonuses, including access to 3 new products which have not been offered before by the partner fulfillment company, which we'll get into, a private community, so much more. So you're going to want to read below everything to see everything that's included. And best of all, the products that you're selling on Mother's Day, by the way, we're focusing on Mother's Day, but these can be sold for Christmas, Valentine's Day, birthdays, which positions your products and your store to generate sales every single day. Now, who is this course for? I would say first, if you're struggling to get your existing print-on-demand business making sales and generating the profits that you'd like to see, or if you're brand new to running an online business altogether, but you're searching for real training with real support backed by real results with thousands of other people like you, or maybe you're already selling print-on-demand products successfully, but you want to get into the Mother's Day niche specifically to increase your products and your profits, then this course is for you. But you do need to move fast because this is a brand new course and it features both recorded and then many live sessions. So everything here is designed to help you get your products created and selling before Mother's Day on May 12th, 2024. So our course and the live training, it begins on March 11th, 2024. And you're going to want to enroll now so that you can begin to go through the training, go through the materials. This way you can prepare for our live training and just make the most of it. So scroll down to learn more about the course and then everything that you'll have access to so you can get your online business started right away. And I wish all moms a very happy Mother's Day. My team and I are looking forward to helping you make it even happier. So I'm looking forward to seeing you in our course and our community, and thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please follow the link in the description of this video to learn everything you want to know about the training course. See you next time.